So on this video, just follow the whole video and you will see how much we saved, and it's really a lot. You will be like in shock for the quality of items we found, and it's, I can tell, more than $1,000. Hi my friends, welcome back to our channel. So yesterday, it's really fresh, we went to the CABAZON outlet and we did huge deals. We found some items from Louboutin and Prada. So let's go for the unboxing. Sorry. So if you want to see, the name of the shoes is Calzature. So you can see the nice color, beige. You have the logo of Prada here. It's full leather inside, made in Italy too. And as you can see, this is a small size of shoes, so that's the ones of me. And look at the back. They remember the name of the brand. It's really light, you can see it's really flexible too. So it's like the shoes for stay at home too. It's like you feel like really relaxed. Or like, oh, it's easy to be dirty, but you have special shampoo for that, for clean it often and to maintain it good. So yeah. Yeah. So let's go now for the second unboxing of the Prada shoes. So let's go for the second pair of shoes, and you will see the big surprise you will have. There, go for the second shoes unboxing, and look, as you can see, we have the same one, so we will do the twins.
Matching! We're matching.
So it's exactly the same details, so I don't repeat it. So it's a swing,
Uh-huh.
and yeah, you can see the difference of size of the feet. So yeah. So we are super happy with that. It's really for the summer. We got really a good deal. And regarding about the price, so the price of the shoes before to have any discount was around $460 before taxes. And at the CABAZON outlet, it was $279 before tax. And include tax, it was $300 per shoes. So yeah, it's a good discount. We are happy. It's a good deal. Look, I'm so happy with my new shoes. They are super flexible. It's not sounding when you walk. It's like soft stuff. So it's my first time for me to have this type of shoes. And yeah, I like it. And look, it's really like not showing too much the brand. It's just chic. I like it. And look at the back. So nice. We're doing the unboxing of our Louboutin shoes. So this is the first time we are customers of them for the shoes. Last time we bought just the card holder, the one like a mirror. And now let's see for this one. So let's go. So here we have the model Run Kick Flat Cuff, and the size is 43. So as you can see, the box is really like natural. You have Paris and the name of the brand. And when you open it, you have the dust bag. You have two dust bags. They are with the red color. I don't know the name of this material, but it's really soft. And you have the silk paper to protect it. And you have two amazing shoes. They are in black leather. You have like an emboss of alligator for the plastic, and it's remembering the Louboutin brand here.
Yeah, the iconic spikes that they have.
So down you have the it's like that Louboutin. And the good things compared to the shoes for women, it's in plastic, so it's not to be scratched easily like the one for escarpin, like the skeleton. So for the shoes, you can see it's made in Europe. You don't have the details. So you have different effect of the plastic. You have a glossy black and glossy white here. You have the brand Louboutin just here, and also inside you can see it with the gold leather, and it's fully leather inside. So yeah, you don't have any doubt on that. And you have remember.
And this is for me.
So this is the shoes for Carlo because they are big for me. And yeah.
And this is the first time to have a high top shoes. Wow. Why did we pick this one, baby, over the other ones?
Carlo, he was endowed with another type of shoes. Like for me, I was saying is the one like for the King of France, Louis XIV. Like
The one with the
really,
tassels.
yeah, like really chic, nice, but really hard to use. It's just if you want to have a. So for the shoes of Carlo, he was endowed. They were like really like the one for Louis XIV, like really chic, but maybe too formal. So just if you have a fancy life all the time and you are not working, maybe you can buy it, or if you have already a lot of shoes. So yeah.
Okay.
So now we are done with the first unboxing for the shoes. Let's go for the second one. So the same concept, the same box.
Give it to me.
So again, we have the two dust bags in red color. This one is bigger. I don't know why, but yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Oh yeah, it's two big ones. As if you have a big feet. Hello.
And you have all the time the silk paper for good presentation. So sorry if it's a little black and down, but because I was trying it. So yeah. So they are in white color. All the time leather. You have the same concept of the glossy just here and here, and the brand here, and the same back.
And we're matching.
Yeah, we're really matching. And the second one just here. Wow. I just removed that. So as you can see, they are a little like up, not too short. It's okay. You just need to not to close it until the final, like that you can breathe and you can move also walking. And yeah. And for the question, because the reputation of the brand is like not really comfortable, so I can tell you I was wearing it yesterday, and right away I was really comfortable. They are not too heavy, and you have a good maintain of the feet, so you can feel your feet is not really working for adjust. So now regarding about the price, before the regular price of these ones was the same, so it's $995. So it's normally like $2,000 before tax. and we paid 1,158.
Hmm.
So it's an investment still, but it's Louboutin and yeah, it's a good quality. So we
How
can
much did you
sell.
save?
So we saved around $1,000. Yeah. And these ones were with an additional sale, additional discount, maybe for Memorial Day. I don't know.
Additional $100 more.
Yeah, because this one we paid 643, and this one 550. So we saved 130 for this sales.
Where did you get this?
We get that at Louboutin in the CABAZON outlet, and yeah. So we are done right now with this Prada and Louboutin unboxing. So it's time to done this video. So I hope you really enjoyed. We try to come outside, so hopefully the sound is still good. At least you have a good light, the natural one, and an amazing grass. So bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel if you don't do it right now, and to comment on below. Bye. Okay. So the total of the savings for the Prada shoes and the Louboutin, it's around 1,700. So it's really not. It's not question of to be focused on the savings or not. But if you are into the fashion, you can buy more for less. So that's the propose. And the name of the outlet it's CABAZON Outlet or Desert Hills, and it's around 1 hour and a half of LA. And yeah, so I think it's worth it. And I recommend you to go during the weekdays for to have less line for each stores. For example, we were trying to go to Gucci and it was around 3 hours, so we were not able to go there. So yeah.